Dogecoin value equivalent to 370,623 rands a coin. The present cost range, 340,457 38,006. The earlier day close, 340,764. The change was plus Z2859, plus 8.22%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at 666 rands. Exorbitant cost 666, while low cost 557. They found the middle value of cost 622. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 599. Change for August 1%. Dogecoin estimate for September 2024. To start with, cost at 599 rands. Exorbitant cost 676, while low cost 588. They found the middle value of cost 624. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 632. Change for September 5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 632 rands. Exorbitant cost 784, while low cost 632. They found the middle value of cost 695. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 733. Change for October 16%. Dogecoin gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 733 rands. Exorbitant cost 850, while low cost 733. They found the middle value of cost 778. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 794. Change for November 83%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 794 rands. Excessive cost 828, while low cost 720. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 779. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 774. Change for December 25%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 774 rands. Excessive cost 774, while low cost 625. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 711. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 672. Change for January 13.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 672 rands. Excessive cost 799, while low cost 672. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 723. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 747. Change for February 11.2%. Dogecoin figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 747 rands. Excessive cost 747, while low cost 613. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 692. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 659. Change for spring 11.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 659 rands. Exorbitant cost 686, while low cost 596. They found the middle value of cost 646. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 641. Change for April 27%. Dogecoin figure for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 641 rands. Exorbitant cost 718, while low cost 632. They found the middle value of cost 670. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 680. Change for May 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 680 rands. Excessive cost 680, while low cost 587. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 645. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 631. Change for June 7.2%. Dogecoin figure for July 2025. Initially cost at 631 rands. Excessive cost 631, while low cost 526. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 589. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 566. Change for July 10.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 566 rands. Excessive cost 703, while low cost 566. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 623. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 657. Change for August 1%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2025. Before all else, cost at 657 rands. Excessive cost 715, while low cost 621. They found the middle value of cost 665. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 668. Change for September 17%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 668 rands. Exorbitant cost 727, while low cost 631. They found the middle value of cost 676. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 679, change for October 16%. Dogecoin gauge for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 679 rands. Exorbitant cost 843, while low cost 679. They found the middle value of cost 747. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 788, change for November 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at 788 rands. Exorbitant cost 9,000, while low cost 782. They found the middle value of cost 828. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 841, change for December 7%. Dogecoin gauge for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 841 rands. Exorbitant cost 841, while low cost 726. They found the middle value of cost 797. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 781, change for January 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at 781 rands. Excessive cost 874, while low cost 760. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 808. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 817, change for February 6%. Dogecoin figure for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 817 rands. Excessive cost 888, while low cost 772. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 827. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 830, change for spring 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2026. To start with, cost at 830 rands. Exorbitant cost 902, while low cost 784. They found the middle value of cost 840. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 843, change for April 16%. Dogecoin estimate for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 843 rands. Excessive cost 901, while low cost 783. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 842. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 842, change for May's by 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at 842 rands. Excessive cost 884, while low cost 768. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 830. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 826. Change for June 19%. Dogecoin figure for July 2026. Initially cost at 826 rands. Excessive cost 836, while low cost 726. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 792. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 781. Change for July 4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2026.